Stiff wear. Hey loves! Welcome back. You have tuned into Tiffany Baby TV. I am Tiffany. Welcome. Thanks for joining me. If you're not already subscribed, I need you to hit that button before we get started. I have a banger to bring to you today, so let's jump right into it. Go ahead, watch me work. All right, so today I have two new units from TK Wig Boss. I know you guys have seen my prior review for her braided wig, which was absolutely beautiful. If you have not seen that video, I will leave a card up above for you to check that one out. But once again, she has come back hard again, you guys. Here is the newest unit that I will be reviewing. As you can see, this is another cornrow unit. Once again, the knots are bleached. Those braids are impeccably done. They're very long, they're very full. This is on a closure. It is also pre-plucked and does come with beautiful jewelry already installed and provided. In addition to this unit, she also sent me this cap hair wig, which is so super cute. It's a light yaki hair. It's probably braiding hair, so I don't know if this will last very long, but the quality and the feel of it is beautiful. It's a very, very quick, easy throw and go, and you guys know I love a throw and go. This wig is braided on a mesh cap. It does have an adjustable strap sewn into it to help keep that secure on your head. Straight out of the packaging and onto my head, this unit does have some baby hairs, which once again are not very thick. I hate plucking out a whole layer of baby hairs, so I always appreciate when they are pre-thinned and when they're realistic looking when I get the unit. I'm just going to cut those down a little bit to the length that I would generally wear them. This wig looks really good, you guys. It really doesn't take any customization. That lace is still on. I have not cut that off yet. I really like how flat this is sitting on my head. This is not secured with any combs. This is simply on with the adjustable straps that were provided, and I do feel like it is very secure. It is not heavy. These braids are very lightweight. There is no extra strain or stress on my neck. This color is absolutely gorgeous. There are dark roots here at the beginning, and then it fades into more of an ombre. I believe this is a 30 color. I will leave all of the information down below as to what you need to know if you are interested in picking this up. Make sure that you shop with Sarah. She is awesome. Her customer service is fantastic, and the shipping is very, very fast and not too expensive either. I definitely recommend shopping with your sisters over there in the motherland. There are so many different wig companies that are coming out with these braided units, but to me, none of them look better than the ones that are hand braided, and I'm always about supporting another sister. So if you guys have any questions, make sure that you leave them down below. Make sure that you share this video for me as well. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button, ring that bell so that you don't miss my next videos. They are coming, and I've got some heat. I've got some exclusive content that you won't find anywhere else. Make sure you stay tuned in to Tiffany Baby TV. Thank you so much for your time, loves. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.